Morning guys, Mitch of the Bushfield here. Join me today as we look at the RadBag. So the RadBag is a new product I recently came across. It's an ultralight sleep system designed for trail running. It's a waterproof material with a reflective coating on the inside. It's waterproof, it's durable, only weighs about 300 grams. Let me open it up, show you what it looks like. So to deploy the sleep system, you just open the bag, pull it out. As you can see, the bag's attached, so you're not going to lose it. Climb in and you're ready for a good night's sleep. There you can see that reflective coating on the inside. It's going to reflect your body heat back to you, keeping you nice and toasty. Nice and waterproof on the outside. It doesn't matter where you're sleeping for the night, you're going to be nice and toasty. Nice and wide at the shoulders, makes it a little bit more comfortable to sleep in. Comes down to a narrow foot box, and it even has tie-outs on it, so afterwards or in the morning you can hang it up for it to dry out. To pack it back up again, take the bag and simply just So guys, that's just a quick look at the RadBag. Next weekend we're expecting temperatures to drop down to about 4 degrees Celsius. I'm going to come out here, give it a try, just with the bag, see how it goes. Stay tuned for that one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're interested in a RadBag, I'll leave a link down below where you can go get more information. Catch you on the next one. We'll cut that part out.